Hello students, welcome to my channel Incipient Doc. I am Borsha, a MBBS student from West Bengal. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Human Health and Disease. You can expect at least 4 to 5 questions from this chapter, so stay with me till the last for some extra benefits. So let's start with our first question. The term health is defined in many ways. The most accurate definition would be A. Health is the state of body and mind in a balanced condition. B. Health is the reflection of a smiling face. C. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. D. Health is the symbol of economic prosperity. And we know, according to WHO, the correct definition of health is C. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. The chemical test that is used for diagnosis of typhoid is A. ELISA test, B. ESR test, C. PCR test, D. Widal test. And the test we use for diagnosis of typhoid is D. Widal test. ELISA test is for AIDS. In malignant tumors, the cell proliferate, grow rapidly and move to other parts of the body to form new tumors. These stages of disease is called A. Metagenesis, B. Metastasis, C. Teratogenesis, D. Mitosis. And the correct answer will be B. Metastasis. Metagenesis is the alternation of generation between sexual and asexual reproduction. And mitosis is a type of cell division. Next question is, SMAC is a drug obtained from the A. Latex of Papaver somniferum, B. Leaves of Cannabis sativa, C. Flowers of Datura, D. Fruits of Erythroxylum coca. And we know SMAC is obtained from the latex of Papaver somniferum. SMAC comes under opioids. Cannabinoids are produced from leaves of Cannabis sativa. Datura has hallucinogenic property and cocaine is produced from Erythroxylum coca. Next question is, hemozoin is A. Precursor of hemoglobin, B. A toxin from Streptococcus, C. A toxin from Plasmodium species, D. A toxin from Haemophilus species. And the correct answer is C. A toxin from Plasmodium species. It is released after the rupture of RBC and is responsible for chill, high fever in case of malaria. Next question is, where will we look for sporozoites at the malarial parasite? A. Saliva of infected female Anopheles mosquito, B. RBCs of humans suffering from malaria, C. Spleen of infected humans, and D. Salivary glands of freshly molted female Anopheles mosquito. And the correct answer will be A. Saliva of infected female Anopheles mosquito. The next question is, motile zygote of Plasmodium occurs in A. Human RBCs, B. Human liver, C. Gut of female Anopheles, and D. Salivary glands of Anopheles. The correct answer is C. The gut of female Anopheles. Next question. The cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by A. Erythrocytes, B. T lymphocytes, C. B lymphocytes, D. Thrombocytes. And the correct answer is B. T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes provide cell-mediated immunity. B lymphocytes provide humoral immunity to our body. Erythrocytes are RBCs and thrombocytes are platelets. Which is the particular type of drug that is obtained from the plant whose one flowering branch is shown below? A. Hallucinogen, B. Depressant, C. Stimulant, D. Painkiller. So the correct answer will be hallucinogen, because this is the flowering branch of Datura which has hallucinogenic property. Next question is, Which of the following is affected by the infection of Wuchereria bancrofti? A. Lymphatic vessels, B. Respiratory system, C. Nervous system, D. Blood circulation. And the answer will be A. Lymphatic vessels. Wuchereria bancrofti causes elephantiasis or filariasis. As a result, chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels in lower limb occurs. Common cold differs from pneumonia in that A. Pneumonia is caused by a virus, whereas common cold is caused by a bacterium. B. Pneumonia pathogen infects alveoli, whereas common cold affects nose and respiratory passage but not the lungs. C. Pneumonia is a non-communicable disease, whereas common cold is a communicable disease. D. Pneumonia can be prevented by a live attenuated bacterial vaccine, whereas common cold has no effective vaccine. So, the correct answer will be B. Pneumonia pathogen infects alveoli, whereas common cold affects nose and respiratory passage but not the lungs. The causative agent for pneumonia is Streptococcus pneumoniae. In pneumonia, alveoli and bronchioles of lungs are affected. Common cold is caused by rhinovirus. It affects the nose and respiratory passage but not the lungs. Next, primary lymphoid organ is A. Thymus, B. Bone marrow, C. Spleen, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both A and B. Thymus and bone marrow are primary lymphoid organs and spleen is secondary lymphoid organ. Next, select the correct option. Statement 1. Macrophage acts as a HIV factory. Statement 2. Innate immunity consists of two types of barriers. A. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. B. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is wrong. C. Statement 2 is correct but statement 1 is wrong. D. Both statements 1 and 2 are wrong. So here we can see the statement 1 is correct, that is macrophage acts as a HIV factory. But the statement 2 is incorrect because innate immunity consists of actually 4 types of barriers. So the correct answer will be B. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is wrong. And the innate immunity consists of 4 types of barriers such as physical, physiological, cellular and cytokine barrier. Next question is, in humans, receptors for opioids are present in A. Central nervous system, B. Gastrointestinal tract, C. Respiratory tract, D. Both A and B. And the correct answer is D. Both A and B. Opioids receptors present in both central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. And our last question is, the first line of defense in the immune system is provided by A. Skin and mucous membrane, B. Inflammatory response, C. The complement system, D. None of these. And the right answer will be A. Skin and mucous membrane. These are physical barriers which provide first line of defense in the immune system. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to share with your friends.